Intraday volume for HT remains at 613.4484, which is very significant from a practical standpoint. Helium's EMA 10 usually indicates a really downward trend in a subtle way. Helium has a medium-term obstacle at $5.02, which is a big deal. And the H&T support floor is currently $4.27, or so they thought. July 27, 2023. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to figure out how much helium will cost now, and what is the short-term real price assumption for helium. H&T is a very intelligent project, with many helium support and resistance levels. However, before we delve too deeply into the H&T technical analysis, we should discuss the current economy, which is very important. According to market research, in the last 24 hours there has been a loss of $1.84, bringing the total amount of cryptographic money on the market to $1,195,618,172, which is a very large amount. $2,476,597,794 are still the total amount of cryptographic currency transacted in the real world. Helium has a medium-term price ceiling of $5.02, which is extremely significant. Bitcoin holds 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a dominance of 16.33% in a very significant matter, which caused Bitcoin's price to decrease to $30, $513.42 after a decline of 0.19%, demonstrating that Bitcoin's value had been higher. Jumping kind of profound into the H&T specialized investigation by and large, let us certainly discuss the truly current economic situations, which for the most part is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 0.51 coming to 1915.50 during the past 24 hours, showing how H&T's really intraday volume especially remains at 6,134,484 in an unpretentious manner, while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 244.84 cents following a value change of 0.97 within a similar time span and a sort of significant manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, basically is up by 1.54 and as of now exchanging at 48 cents, showing how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the H&T specialized examination in a real sense, let us really discuss the truly current economic situations sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, after losing 0.77 in value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents. This is a big drop, and it shows that the market is going down at the time. All things considered, looks at how Coco's BCX dropped from 77 cents to 60 cents, a loss of 0.77%, which is a significant drop right now. A significant decline can be observed across the crypto market. H&T Helium market execution. The daily graph of Helium shows that the H&T price has decreased by 0.34% over the past 24 hours. However, contrary to what most people believe, the value of the Helium H&T coin has remained unchanged at $3.50 with a market capitalization of $423,722,611. This indicates that H&T's intraday volume has remained at 61.34 for 84, which is a very significant number. The price of HMT fluctuates by 12.01 over the span of a week, while its volume remains constant at 61.34 for 84 US dollars. Test for Helium value. H&T price analysis for July 27, 23 is presented below. Union and disparity mapped backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly basic moving pretty. It is normal for EMA to look at the future of helium in a non-intrusive manner, while H&T's Williams %R measure is at 69.632 for the past 14 days, indicating a non-partisan situation. A trade pretty sign is possible at this point, which is very far. The mapped line is still below the type of sign line after a mix, which opposes direction. RSI is close to oversold while trading at 36, and it is attempting to break out of the negative zone. H&T's price changes by $12.01 over the course of a week, but the trading volume is mostly around $6,134 for 84 US dollars. indicating that the price hasn't changed much before entering the HT technical analysis. Let's discuss the current economic situation. Contrary to what most people believe, Helium has broken all its holds and the outlook is not positive. Bitcoin price prediction. As the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision gets closer, has Bitcoin already hit bottom? The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is planned for Wednesday. And market participants are eagerly waiting to see what happens and how it might affect Bitcoin and other financial assets. As the FOMC meets to decide on the federal interest rate, the cryptocurrency market is tense. Investors are asking if Bitcoin has already hit its bottom or if there will be more volatility in the future. At the time this was written, one Bitcoin was worth $29,260, and its 24-hour trade volume was a whopping $11.8 billion. The choices made by the FOMC could have a big effect on where Bitcoin's price goes and how people feel about the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Let's take a look at the technical side of the market and see what we can figure out about the Bitcoin price. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, had a big drop in value and was getting close to $28,850. But a recent doji candle that closed just above this key level shows that bearish sentiment may be weakening. Also, the presence of a doji candle and a spinning top candle near the $28,800 mark makes a bullish trend or decline more likely. Also, both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, are in the oversold zone, which makes it more likely that the price will turn up. It is important to keep a close eye on the $28,850 level, because a break above it could cause Bitcoin to aim for $29,500, which is an instant resistance level. This area of resistance is in line with the 50-day exponential moving average and has been a major support and double bottom level since July 24. Because of this, it is likely to put up a strong fight. If Bitcoin is able to go above $29,500, the next goals could be around $29,900 or $30,300. Bitcoin price prediction. As the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision gets closer, has Bitcoin already hit bottom? The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is planned for Wednesday. And market participants are eagerly waiting to see what happens and how it might affect Bitcoin and other financial assets. As the FOMC meets to decide on the federal interest rate, the cryptocurrency market is tense. Investors are asking if Bitcoin has already hit its bottom or if there will be more volatility in the future. At the time this was written, one Bitcoin was worth $29,260, and its 24-hour trade volume was a whopping $11.8 billion.